Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the Play Store problem in your device Poco C40. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the Play Store, like you are having any sign-in problem or login, or your Play Store is not downloading the apps, you can fix it by the methods I will show you. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the Play Store problem in your device. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's watch it.